For all your vinyls, vehicle graphics and vehicle signage, contact the Vinyl Guys. I'll leave all the links in the description down below. Hello friends and fellow YouTubers. What we're doing today is mail call. First sticker shout out today is SUMO'S Projects. Dirk is an Australian woodworker. He does woodworking and tool unboxings and tool reviews. In his latest video he made some tabletop condiment holders out of old pallets. He did a really good job on them. You should look on his video. I'll put all the links in the description down below. Check out his channel. The next one is relatively a new channel. He's got quite a few videos on there, but he's not got many subscribers at the moment. He's just got over 130, I think it is. It's the Beard times 16. His name's Richard. He does a whole bunch of things on his channel. Woodwork, wood turning, metal detecting, and he takes you along on his journeys, on his recumbent cycle, when he's doing his daily vlogs and things like that. He doesn't do daily vlogs, but you know what I mean, them sort of things along that line. He's a great guy, nice to talk to. Always interacts with you, like if you leave him a comment, and on Instagram and Facebook, things like that. Put all the links in the description down below, check him out.
Hey YouTube.
Next one is Andrew, the Bearded Giant. He does moto vlogging mainly, and welding projects. He's just made a very cool knife with oak handles. It was good to watch, really enjoyed watching it. I think he bought the kit from Amazon, if I remember rightly from the video. Like I say, good to watch, friendly. He interacts with you on his videos when you leave him a comment. Just check him out. Give his channel a watch. These three next channels what I'm shouting out are actually Instagram accounts. Because I've got an Instagram account, I exchange stickers with these people on Instagram. The first one is CONSTABILE Custom. He's from New York. He does sticker swaps, and he shares all the pictures of his work on Instagram. I don't think as he's got a YouTube or any sort of media sharing thing like that, like YouTube. As far as I know, he just puts all his work on Instagram. But he makes some really nice things. Looking for his pictures. I'll put the links in the description for his Instagram account, and it's up to you if you want to check him out. The next one is S&L Wood. They're based in Germany. Like I say, same again, they're an Instagram account. They make a lot of handmade items and share all the work on Instagram. They look like they make some really nice things. Jump on the channel and check them out. The next one is the Bearded Tradesman. It shows all pictures of his work, what he does on Instagram. He's into security, fencing and security cameras and things like that, I think. And he also likes his tools as well. He has a lot of DeWalt tools. I'll put his links in the description down below if you'd like to go and check all these channels out. If you do leave any comments on any of these channels what I've shouted out today, could you please tell them I've sent you along, Big Boys DIY. And for anyone who follows me on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter, I did put a comment out at the beginning of the month. I think it was at the beginning of the month. My mind's been all over the place lately, as to why videos will be a bit slow coming out. I've just done this video on the off chances I had a spare hour or two today. I've bought all the 4x2s ready to make a stand to put the DeWalt table saw on, sorry. I did use it the other day. I had to block above a doorway up with a piece of plywood and belting can't fault it really. It's absolutely fantastic saw. So, right, if you like the video, please give the video a thumbs up, share the video, tell your friends about it. If you go on any of the channels what I've just shouted out, could you please tell them that I've sent you over. And apart from that, we'll see you again soon. Thank you for joining. Have a good day.